Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Luna update for Tuesday 4th of October. Now we're looking at Luna making some amazing good break to the upside right now, but not so fast at the moment. Now there's a little bit of a pattern right here that you've actually broken out of that I'm looking forward to, and you can already see that there was this resistance right there, resistance right here, and one here again, and now you've actually made another break to the upside. You've actually attempted several different times to break towards the upside, but whenever you try to do so, you actually came to the downside, you went up again, came to the downside, you went up again and came to the downside. Now is this time, is this a real breakout for real to move to the upside? This is more like a little bit of a pattern here that is actually quite good to me. And if you do hold the retest, we need to hold the retest in the next 3 hours 52 minutes that I'm recording right now, because we're on the 4-hour time frame at the moment. So we need some back testing of this line right over there. Now you've actually made a bullish breakout and a closing, but you also did the same right over here as well, but you then again failed and you start to move to the downside. And right now you can see that already down, trying to come down to back test that line. There could be chances of actually going to the downside. So don't actually try to jump into the trades. You must be waiting for confirmation, and I will say it will take like 5 to 6 hours for confirmation, because if you end up having this candlestick closing below that trend line and coming down to 2.5330 once again, then there could be chances to go down back to this support line, which is actually down right over here somewhere right there. And you could actually see that you actually went up like this, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, broke out, make a fake out, and then you fall back to that line, which can actually be 2.3416. Now on the weekly time frame, Luna is looking amazing, Luna 2.0, and I'm just going to show you the weekly time frame right over there, and that's actually pretty good. We do have a candlestick that shows a little bit of some reversal signs, just like this one over here. We have an inverted hammer, so there could be chances of actually going back up to 2.9 and above. Make a morning star, maybe go to $3 by the end of the week, and that will be amazing. If you do go back to $3 next week, you could actually continue even higher. But let's talk about this pattern on the 4-hour time frame now. Given that you can actually backtest that pattern, let's see what the next technical target can be. So what I'm going to say about the next technical target, and let me tell you one thing: if this thing becomes very, very bullish all of a sudden, it absolutely becomes bullish, and you never know what's going to happen next. So that actually can be, if you hold the retest, then we could be looking for a 7.7% move to the upside, which is not pretty bad, considering for a day trade. That's actually pretty sweet and decent. And that's pretty much it for this Luna update right now. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.